Have you ever wondered why some brands stay in your mind while the others fade away? Well, that's branding and advertising. Every day we're surrounded by thousands of ads, be it on our phone, our billboards, or even on the packaging of the product we buy. Well, that's branding and advertising. Advertising helps us to increase the awareness of the brand, and branding, well, that helps us to recall the memory of the brand. Now, if you've clicked on the video, you're probably wondering, is there a future in branding and advertising? Should I even go for the course? Well, there's a simple answer to it. Yes, the careers in branding and advertising is future proof. And in this video, I'll tell you exactly why. So in this video, I'll be giving you a list of reasons as to why the careers in branding and advertising are future proof. And in the end, I'll also be giving you a small list of careers that you can go after pursuing a degree in branding and advertising. Point 1, digital boom. The world has gone completely digital and branding has only evolved with it. Gone are the days where TV and newspapers were the only way to advertise. In fact, nowadays, social media, influencer collaborations, and AI-powered ads are the most popular ways a brand reaches its audience. Think about this. Every time you scroll through your Instagram, you see so many brands promoting their products. Sometimes so seamlessly that you don't even realize it's an ad. This is the best way for a brand to seamlessly showcase their products. New platforms keep emerging, trends will keep changing, and brands, they need experts who can help them stay relevant. And that's exactly why digital branding is here to stay. Point number 2, AI and data-driven marketing. A lot of people think AI is here for our jobs. But the truth being told, AI is just making our jobs much more exciting and interesting. AI is here to help us. It's here for our excuses. It's not here for our jobs. Brands now use AI to track consumer preferences, analyze trends, and make personalized ads. But here's the catch. AI might be able to analyze data, but it can't replace human creativity. AI can suggest what works best, but it's us who come up with the ideas, emotions, and stories that can actually make a brand stand out. Think about the best ads you've seen. Were they created by AI or a team of creative minds? AI can create data, but emotions and storytelling will always need human expertise. Which leads me to my point number 3, the power of storytelling. There's a very famous saying that says, sell the experience and not the product. But what does that even mean? Think about brands like Apple, Nike, and Coca-Cola. They don't sell you their products. Their ads don't sell their products. Their ads make you feel something. Nike's Just Do It campaign isn't just about shoes. It's about motivation, it's about pushing your boundaries, and it's about success. Bonvita, Tayari Jeet Ki. That's an emotionally appealing ad. This is why storytelling is the heart of branding. As long as we connect to people through emotions, as long as we connect to people through stories, branding and advertising is always going to stay relevant. And guess what? With new formats like Reels and podcasts, the way we tell stories is constantly evolving. This means that there will always be room for fresh ideas and new storytellers. Point number 4, every business needs a branding. Whether it's a startup, a big brand, or even their own personal brand, they need their branding to stand out. Think about how many businesses have grown just by using the smart branding on Instagram. With more businesses launching every day and competition becoming tougher, branding is not an option, it's a necessity. So let's recap. Branding and advertising is future-proof because the digital world is constantly growing, which means it's creating endless opportunities for us. AI helps, but nothing can replace human creativity and strategy. Storytelling is a must to keep the brand relevant and alive. And lastly, be it a startup, a big brand, or a personal brand, everything needs a branding. So there you go. So as promised, here are a few careers that you can get into after pursuing a degree of branding and advertising. Brand manager, product manager, marketing manager, copywriter, creative director, art director, media planner, social media manager, content strategist, influencer marketing manager, public relations manager, graphic designer, event marketing manager, brand consultant, and so on. If you love being creative and enjoy problem solving, then this course might just be for you. Branding and advertising will always evolve, but one thing is for sure, it's here to stay. What excites you the most about the field? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video to be helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.